recording. Hopefully it's recording and recording my voice. Welcome to the episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator by another video, and today we are unboxing today's package. Today we are doing a BzzAgent item that I was selected to test out. This is Shu Uemura. I'm probably saying it wrong. Shu Uemura. Shu Uemura Art of Hair Water Wave Dry Finishing Spray. This is approximately $42. Let me show that you get the full view of the bottle. And this is absolutely amazing. It came in a really small, not really small, it came in really nice packaging, you know, with the BzzAgent, you know, detailing and stuff. If it's kind of like lagging a little bit, it's because I'm editing another video for my main channel, so please don't pay attention to that. But other than that, this is the bottle. It is absolutely a simple bottle, if you will, but it's definitely nice and detailed. It has this amazing writing on the side. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna try to code what this is. It's really nice, and it's simple, and it's really cool. The back has simple ingredients on it and all that stuff. I definitely did do a smell test, and it definitely has it has the smell of rubbing alcohol. So it's definitely alcohol fragrant, but other than that, it is a great product. So this is a 7 out of 10 for me, only because of when I first saw the picture of what I wanted to try out, I thought that it was going to be like red or something like that. I thought I was going to get something different than just this, but this is actually okay. So this is a 7 out of 10. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This is going to be a very short one because I'm prepping up for the part 2 of the Wish haul for unboxing today's package. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share the video. Click the notification bell to be notified of my videos, and check out the link in the description. The first thing in the description is the Damage Review playlist, where I review so many great and wonderful things, such as gaming controllers, wigs, whatever you desire to see as a review. I probably have that on that playlist, so please check it out. This will be included in the review playlist. So if you want to see all my playlists from the first thing I've ever reviewed on this channel to the recent, which is this, check it out. And I will see you all next time. Get ready for the next video.